Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download the Sims mobile application on your PC. If you want to play the popular Sims mobile application on PC, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser and go ahead and download any kind of an Android emulator of your choice. I'm just going to show you how to download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Simply type in bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for BlueStacks. Now you will be able to find the multiple download links available according to your device. Select your device and click on the download button, and once you download the application and install it on your PC, simply open the BlueStacks by giving it a double click. Wait for the BlueStacks Android emulator to load. Remember that in order to start using the emulator and download application from your Google Play Store, you will need to log into your Google account by entering your Google account's credentials. Type in your email address and then your password for your Google account, and you will be able to get to this page where you can simply search for the Sims mobile application. Type it down in the keyboard at the top, type it down with the keyboard on the top, and then search for the app. Now you'll get to the search results where you'll need to click on the Sims application displayed on the screen and look for this application. Once you see this kind of an interface, click on install, and this will then begin the download process for the app on your PC. Once the download is completed, the game will now be found inside your main homepage for your Android emulator. You can visit your Android emulator, and from the main homepage you can open the game whenever you want to play. So that is how you can easily download the Sims mobile application on your PC and start playing it from your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.